Yabona le English ikhwebu into ongayazi yabo. It's something unusual when you see abadlali abajwayele ukuyidlalela iclub, abadlali abajwayele ukudlala kahle for the club, not playing in big matches. Players like Miguel Team, players like Monapule Saleng. There are many players you can count. Yabo. There are many players ngempela engababala. Miguel Team sijwayele ukumbona ejima neclub. Abakazi basitshela ukuthi Miguel Team u-injured. When they update us, Orlando Pirates uma is-update abadlali abalimele, abakaze bambala Miguel Team, abakaze bambala Monapule Saleng, abakaze bababale lababanye because sebeluleme. Why benga-includwa kwi-squad Orlando Pirates esijwayele ukudlala? We see the players training ahead of the games, but we don't see the players behleli emabhenchini. We don't see them. Why? Ezinye zezinto lezi, I feel like as fans, we are not vocal enough about lezi zinto lezi. Mase sibona iscore esikanjeyana sibe surprised. Why are we surprised mase sibona iscore esikanjeyana? Because our main players abebedlalela kamnandi last season, in the previous seasons, abadlali bebedlalela kamnandi, Miguel Team nabo Monapule Saleng. Yabo, if you can check Miguel Team, the last game that he played, if you can check here, he played against Stade Abidjan ngosikhathi sidlala kuma group stages e-Champions League la sadraw khona sidlala le Ivory Coast. Yabo, another game wayidlala futhi sadlala neRichards Bay, wathola ama-minutes kuleyo game. Yabo, nala wathola ama-minutes kahle for thina uMiguel Team wadlala ama-pre-season games, wasedlala le game eRichards Bay lesayidliwe. No, akadlalanga this season actually. Nginamanga le game le. Wait a minute. This was last season. This was actually last season if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this was last season. Yabo. So kahle thina lo mjidalo osekadlalela iyodwa kuphela i-team asekayidla i-game asekayidlalela ile game le esesidlala neStade Abidjan la athola khona ama-minutes. Yabo, ila khona athola khona ama-minutes. Other than that, umjida mfethu ade agcina ukudlalela. Yabo, ade agcina ukudlalela ayikabi. And soba surprised ke masibona into kanje. So act surprised when we see iscore esikanje. Masibona 4-1. Yabo, I don't know why see act surprised as fans. I don't know why. Abona nje igame izolo is exposile ukuthi kahle Orlando Pirates idinga more players, idinga abadlali abazobasiza because uma usubhekela ama ratings abadlali, bukela uThapelo Gxoxo i-rating yakhe uthole 6.1 rating. Yakukhombisa le ukuthi umshido bengekho on izolo. 6.1 rating Thapelo Gxoxo. Mase ukuthi uSibisi 6.4, Van Rooyen 6.4. Paseka Maka, I feel like Paseka Maka was the only defender edlale kamnandi igamini izolo. I don't know why it's all 6.3. Makihleni Makaola it's all 6.4. I don't know how, because he was the only player obekwazi ukusiza iswini uDlamini wathola 6.5. I don't know how too. Yabo, the only player that was playing yesterday according to SofaScore uDion Hoto, because he's the guy who scored the goal. Yabo, Makgopa, I feel like for me Makgopa tried his best, but again awazange ukudlala. Now Tito Maswangai, yabo, he tried his best, but again it's ebedlala nayo ubikwazi ukudlala. Yabo, ibikwazi ukudlala. We seen the likes of Allende, we seen the likes of Umkwena, Jaden Adams. First of all, uyodlala ne-team ekuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns, uyasazi sisawo siqinile. You see these players, 3 of these players are world class. Ayikaba mfethu labajida bayadlala, ubathathu nje ubabona. Yebo, labadlali labo bathathu bayadlala. Uzobadlalisa noDlamini noTito Maswangai. Labadlali labo bawu-2, uTito Maswangai benoDlamini, abadlali laba abadlala like bama attacking midfielders bawu-2. Yebo, njengoba attacking midfielders awukwazi ukubadlalisa lapha. Nangu noRasebocha, awungamfanga uRasebocha. Why uRasebocha engafakwanga kule game? uRasebocha umdlali oyi-CDM. Yebo, uRaseboja you can play him as a CDM, uyakwazi ukudlala ya role leyani, uyakwazi ukushintshisana benombatha. Why uRaseboja engadlaliswanga izolo? It's beyond me. I don't know why umjide engadlaliswanga izolo. Yebo. I don't really understand why he wasn't played with game ya izolo. I don't really understand. Yebo. Udlala khona nje la. Yebo. Umjide ube deserve game izolo. Avale isikhala sambatha. Yebo. Angene ngesecond half ke lo mjide lo uDlamini. Instead ucoach wenzani wafaka uKarim Kimvuidi. Wabona ku right ukuthi kufaka uKarim Kimvuidi. Bona ku right ukuthi kufaka uKarim Kimvuidi, wakhipha uMakehleni Makhaola wafaka uNkota. Yabo. Maningi nje ama substitutes abe questionable izolo. Innocent Mayela, I feel like for me Innocent Mayela bemela ngene izolo kuphuma uXoki. Innocent Mayela izolo bemela ngene kuphuma uXoki. But ke asilazi icala lika Saling. Asilazi icala lika Saling. Wenzani uSaling? Yini le ngaka ayenza mhlambe simxoliseleke thina. Yabo sizama umxolisela kwi-team. Yini la engaka ayenza? Mase ubheka ama games awadlala uMonopoly Saling. Wagcina ukudlala against iAl Ahly, dlala la home. Say strong unilile. Yabo, and he played very good for me. Wadlala kamnandi kuleya game. Wadlala kamnandi kuleya game. I don't know what happened. I really don't know. Yabo. So ngempela bafethu uma ekhona owazi ukuthi kwenzakalani akazama ukungitshela mhlawumbe uyimo ongazi kwenzakalani ngoteam wawo team engadlali Miguel team bonile isiset izolo besi week kanjani wawo Monopoly Saling engadlali. As fans we need to know. Kwizinto ezikanje we need to know. They are taking us for a ride. I don't want to lie. They are taking us for a ride. I don't want to lie ngempela bafethu. Saling, Miguel team. Those are the fans. Those are the players actually. Management yakethana ukuhambisa umthetho. Bavumelana benomthetho athazi umfana uzohamba. Instead of giving umfana ama minutes uthi adlale. Why mshide enganikezwanga ama minutes uthi adlale? Mshide akanikezwa ama minutes uthi adlale. Afethu mina ayikabi. Mina nje I'm not happy. Yabona igame izolo. Yes, Sundowns ishayile. I admit. Mamelodi Sundowns ishayile ngo 4-1. But uma asubheke lo 4-1 lo abungaba prevented uma senze into enesense. Ubungaba prevented. You see unomdlalo olimele. Unabadlali actually abawu2 abalimele. Okubani? Okumbatha noSesani. Thapelo Xoki usasana kubuya kwi-injury. Why are you risking ufaka uThapelo Xoki against Mamelodi Sundowns? Unayo umdlali ebenchini uInnocent Mayela ucaptain. Innocent Mayela akanayo injury. Adabuya kwi-injury Innocent Mayela. Ujwayele futhi uInnocent Mayela ukudlala neMamelodi Sundowns. Why aren't you putting Innocent Mayela there? Mhlambe ngesecond half mubone uSoxoki une problem lapha. Why ungamfaki? Uyabona ukuthi uVan Rooyen ngale unenkinga. Why ungamshintshi second half ufake lo mfana lo uShandu ngale? Noma uNdlozi because ubonile sengena uNdlozi kube khona yabo. Why? Noma udrophe lo mfana lo hot umbekile la side. Baningi nje abadlali abangawathola ama minutes. Asazi kwenze njani. We cannot keep on playing the same players kuze kuphele isizini. Akwenzeki kanjalo. NgoJanuary akuthengwanga. Bafethu ngeke mfethu. Ngeke. This is unacceptable. Ayikabi. Unacceptable.